a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. 1 by cos is secant. Reciprocal of cos is secant. Sin by cos is tan. Then write the required trigonometric functions. Here required are what? Sin and cos. Sin is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is what? Base by hypotenuse. Write them. Sin theta. What is sin theta, dear students? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So in this triangle it is AB by AC. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll continue with angles and trigonometric functions, that is exercise 13.2. Now prove the following essay type questions. There are 3 markers that is given in the exercise. Prove that 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A minus 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A is equal to 4 secant A into tan A. So now we'll take LHS and arrive at RHS. So we'll take LHS. LHS is 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A minus 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. So take LCM. If I take LCM, I'll get 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A and cross multiply. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A becomes 1 plus sin A the whole square. Minus is there, put minus. 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin A becomes 1 minus sin A the whole square. Further, numerator apply A plus B the whole square and here A minus B the whole square. That is 1 square plus sin square A plus 2 sin A cos A. Now this is 1 plus sin A plus B the whole square is A square, 1 square plus sin square A plus 2 sin A cos A. I have minus, so use brackets. Again 1 minus sin A the whole square is 1 square plus sin square A minus 2 sin A into 1. So 1 square plus sin square A minus 2AB minus 2 into 1 into sin A divided by, in the denominator we have, what is the LCM? 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Now numerator 1 square is 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A, sorry, this is 2 sin A, that's it. 2 sin A into 1 is 2 sin A. So plus 2 sin A minus, open the brackets, minus 1 minus sin square A minus into minus plus 2 sin A divided by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Now plus 1 minus 1 cancels and we have sin square A positive, sin square A negative cancels. We are left out with numerator 2 sin A. Denominator, if you observe, it is in the form A plus B into A minus B. What is A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. So 1 square minus sin square A. Now that is 2 sin A divided by 1 minus sin square A. What is 1 minus sin square A? 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Further, that is equal to, numerator is 2 sin A. Okay. Numerator is 2 sin A. I'll write it here. Divided by, we have 1 minus cos square A. Sorry, 1 minus sin square A. See, whatever here, 2 sin A by 1 minus sin square A, I wrote it here. 2 sin A, let it be. All of you know 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. And further, I can split it as 2 times. Depending on LHS, RHS. What is RHS? Secant and tan they want. Secant and tan they want. So I'll write it as 2 sin A. See here, dear students, this is 2 sin A plus 2 sin A. What is 2 sin A plus 2 sin A? 2 plus 2 is what? 4. So 2 sin A plus 2 sin A. This is 4 sin A. Sorry. Here it is 4 sin A. 4 sin A divided by cos square A. Can I write it as by cos A into 1 by cos A? 4, let it be. Sin A by cos A is tan A and 1 by cos A is secant A. That is 4 times. They wanted to prove secant A into tan A or tan A into secant A, one and the same. This is your RHS. Here splitting this cos square as cos into cos is important. So simple and direct, what we have done, We took LHS 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A minus 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. We took LCM. Then we cross multiplied. We applied A plus B the whole square and A minus B the whole square. And denominator is in the form A minus B into A plus B. We write A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square is cos square. And we have simplified. Cos square can be written as cos into cos. 1 by cos is secant. Reciprocal of cos is secant. Sin by cos is tan. Then prove that 1 by 1 plus cos A plus 1 by 1 minus cos A is 2 cosecant square A. Again take LHS. What is LHS? 1 divided by 1 plus cos A plus 1 divided by 1 minus cos A. So take LCM. If you take LCM, it will be 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Cross multiply, it will become 1 minus cos A. In between we have plus 1 plus cos A. Now minus cos A plus cos A cancels. 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. We have 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. All of you know 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. What is A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. So it will become 1 square minus cos square A. So that is 2 divided by 1 minus cos square A. What is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. So you got 2 sin square A. So we got 2 divided by sin square A. So you know reciprocal of sin, 1 by sin is cosecant. So 2 into, I'll write 1 by sin square A. So 1 by sin square A can be written as cosecant square A, 2 cosecant square A. This is the RHS. If cot theta is 5 by 12 and theta is acute, and show that 2 cosecant theta minus 4 secant theta is 247 divided by 30. So one of the trigonometric function is given. What is the trigonometric function? Cot theta is 5 by 12. So now they want you to find secant. See, can't you write tan theta? Tan theta is the reciprocal of cot. If cot is 5 by 12, tan is reverse of it, 12 by 5. And can't you construct a triangle to get the other angles? So I'll construct a triangle, right angled triangle. This is the angle theta, and A, B, C I'll say, and opposite side by, see what is tan? Tan means what? All of you know tan theta means opposite side divided by base. So in the place of opposite we have 12, in the place of base we have 5. So opposite is 12, base is 5. So now apply Pythagoras theorem to get AC. So what is AC square? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square, AB square 12 square plus 5 square, 144 plus 25, 169 AC square. What is AC? AC is root of 169. What is root of 169? 13. So you will get this side 13. From this side you can find cosecant theta, secant theta. So cosecant is the reciprocal of what? Sin. So what is sin theta, dear students? Sin means opposite side divided by hypotenuse, 12 by 13. So therefore cosecant is reciprocal. What is cosecant now? 13 by 12. So you got cosecant. They want secant also. So first find cos theta. What is cos theta? You know cos theta is what? Adjacent, base or adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So in the diagram, what is the base? 5, hypotenuse 13, 5 by 13. They want secant theta. Secant is reciprocal of this. Reciprocal is 13 by 5. Now you take LHS, substitute the value. They want secant, we got 13 by 5, and they have given cosecant 13 by 12, and they want 2 cosecant minus 4 secant. 2 times cosecant minus, I am taking LHS now, minus 2 times cosecant minus 4 times secant. So now we got the values, substitute them. 2 times what is cosecant? Cosecant is 13 by 12. Substitute it. 13 divided by 12 minus 4 times secant. What is secant? Secant just now we got 13 by 5. Substitute. So now 2 1s are 2 6 are 13 by 6 minus 14 into 3, 52 by 5. So now take LCM. What is the LCM for 6 and 5? 6 5s are 30. So 13 into 5, 13 5s are 65 minus, okay, 5 6 are 52 into 6. So 12, 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 1, 3 12. Minus 2, 74 by 30 you will get. So this is the value. Theta is acute, so all the angles are positive, but here we'll get this. Minus 274 by 30 is the answer. We'll get this value. Then tan theta is 5 by 12. Show that 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta is minus 33 by 13. Here also it is minus, see in this particular problem, it is minus 247 by 30. You need to prove, and we got it. And in this 24th problem, they have given theta, tan theta value. Again, construct the triangle and get sin and cos. So given tan theta, what is tan theta? They give 5 by 12. And you know tan means what? Opposite side divided by base. And construct a triangle. If you construct a right angled triangle, so if you assume this is theta and triangle ABC, opposite to theta is opposite side, this is opposite side, and you know this is base and this is hypotenuse, and opposite place we have 5, and tan is what? Opposite by base is what? 12. And by using Pythagoras theorem, you will get this AC square. AC square is what? 5 square plus 12 square, and solve this. You will get AC square as 169, AC is root 169, that is 13. So you will get the hypotenuse. Now they want sin and cos. From the triangle, write sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse, 5 by 13. And they want cos theta. What is cos theta? Base by hypotenuse. Base is 12. Hypotenuse is 13, 12 by 13. So you got sin theta and cos theta. Substitute in LHS to arrive at RHS. What is LHS? LHS is 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta. That is 3. What is sin theta? Sin theta is 5 by 13 minus 4 cos theta. What is cos theta? 12 by 13. Simplify this. So now 15 by 13 minus 48 by 13. So take LCM. LCM is 13. So 15 minus 48. That will give you negative 33 divided by 13. This is your RHS. After subtraction, you get this. So check your RHS. Minus 33 by 13, we got it. Just using one trigonometric function, construct the triangle, write the two sides. Any trigonometric function gives you two sides. See here tan is given, so you will get opposite and base. Find hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. Then write the required trigonometric functions. Here required are what? Sin and cos. Sin is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is what? Base by hypotenuse. Write them. After you write them, substitute in LHS and arrive at RHS. So these are the standard problems for today. So in today's session, to solve the problems of basic is, you should know the definition of trigonometric functions. If this is theta, if this is ABC, and opposite to theta, we call it as opposite side, and we call this as base, and we call this as hypotenuse, and trigonometric function definitions. Sin theta. What is sin theta, dear students? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So in this triangle, it is AB by AC. What is cos theta, dear students? Adjacent by hypotenuse. In this triangle, it is BC by AC. And what is tan theta? Opposite side divided by adjacent, or opposite by base, we can say. Base or adjacent, both are same. That is AB by BC. And reciprocals. If they want cosecant theta, then reciprocal of sin theta. Whatever you get sin theta, you reciprocate. And secant theta. Secant theta is what? 1 by cos theta. And cot theta. What is cot theta? 1 by tan theta. These are the basics to solve the problems. I hope all of you understood this. So please sit and practice. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.